Chosen one, I know exactly what you have been feeling lately. You have this sudden, overwhelming urge to pull back, to stay quiet, to isolate yourself from the noise of the world. You have been wondering if something is wrong with you. Let me validate your spirit right now. That is not anxiety. That is a divine instruction. God is announcing a massive spiritual blackout, a sudden severing of the power supply to every toxic connection, every draining situation, and every artificial light that has distracted you. Heaven orchestrated this exact interruption, because before he pulls the switch, he is commanding you to place a seal on your doors and windows, your mind, your heart, your peace. Before I show you exactly how to do this, know that everything I share in the next few minutes is completely free. If at any point your spirit tells you there is a tool you need for this transition, you will find it in the description and pinned comment below, but do not explore it unless you feel led. Stay with me. The darkness approaching is not here to destroy you. It is here to hide you while God handles your enemies. By the end of this message, you will understand exactly why the universe is forcing you into isolation. I will give you the specific protocol to seal your spiritual doors and windows. And we will close with an activation that locks your protection in place permanently. Let me show you the signs that this blackout has already begun in your life. Imagine sitting in your room. Your phone is silent. You look at your contacts, hundreds of names, and realize there is not a single person you have the energy to explain yourself to right now. The thought of small talk feels physically exhausting. You are not depressed. You are drained from carrying frequencies that were never meant for your shoulders. The first sign that this blackout has commenced is a sudden, intense hypersensitivity to noise and drama. You simply cannot tolerate environments you used to frequent. The gossip, the complaining, the endless cycles of manufactured crises that other people thrive on now feel like physical sandpaper to your spirit. You find yourself leaving rooms early or avoiding gatherings altogether because the energetic toll is too high. The second sign is a deep detachment from your old routines. The things that used to stimulate you now feel entirely empty. The ambitions you used to chase, the social circles you tried to impress, the arguments you used to engage in to prove your point, they all feel meaningless. You are losing your appetite for the things of your past because your spirit knows they cannot sustain where you are going. The third indicator is experiencing sudden intuition flashes, warning you to stay home or stay quiet, often without any logical reason. You might have plans, but at the last minute, a heavy, sinking feeling tells you not to go. You might be mid-conversation, about to explain your plans or defend your choices, and an inner voice immediately commands you to close your mouth. Your intuition is actively managing your perimeter. And the fourth sign is witnessing undeniable, timing coincidences where toxic people suddenly exit your life simultaneously. People you thought you had to actively cut off are abruptly walking away on their own. Arguments are starting out of nowhere, leading to separations. This is not bad luck. This is the universe clearing the room before the doors are locked. Notice how your mind has been racing when it should be resting. Notice the emotional weight dropping into your stomach when your phone rings or when you see a specific name light up on your screen. Notice the profound, almost overwhelming relief you feel only when the door is locked, the curtains are drawn, and you are finally entirely alone. This is not antisocial behavior. This is spiritual preservation. Type "I see it" in the comments if you recognize these signs in your life right now. Let that be your acknowledgement that you are not losing your mind. You are just sensing the shift. But recognizing the signs is just the surface. What is actually happening in the unseen realm? Because there is a very specific reason God requires you to be in the dark right now. Think of a dark room where photographs are developed. When a raw image is being processed, it must be kept in absolute pitch-black darkness. The chemicals are doing the delicate work of bringing the hidden picture to life. If someone opens the door prematurely, If even a sliver of outside light enters that room before the image is set, the photograph is completely ruined. It gets overexposed, bleached out, and the intended masterpiece is destroyed forever. Right now, you are in the dark room of your destiny. God is developing a version of you that the world has never seen. Your new identity, your true calling, your ultimate authority is being processed. The sudden isolation you are experiencing is the universe locking the door to that dark room. If the light of other people's opinions, if the light of their judgments, their doubts, or their demands were allowed to hit your spirit right now, it would ruin the development of your purpose. You are not being punished with loneliness. You are being protected from overexposure. Do you remember the story of the Passover? When the final judgment was sweeping through Egypt, Moses did not tell the Israelites to go out into the streets and fight the angel of death. He did not hand them swords and tell them to battle the darkness. He gave them a very different, very specific instruction. He told them to go inside their homes. He told them to take the blood of the lamb and place the seal on their doors. And then he told them to wait in the dark while God fought for them. As long as they stayed behind the sealed door, the destruction had to pass over them. That exact same spiritual protocol is being activated over your life in this very moment. The universe is sweeping through your environment, dismantling systems, removing deceptive people, and breaking generational curses that have hunted your family line for decades. God does not need your help to fight this battle. He needs your obedience to stay inside. He needs you to place the seal on your spiritual doors and windows so that the chaos of the world cannot enter your sanctuary. What felt like abandonment was actually concealment. God is hiding you from those who would ruin your development. Let us just pause here for a moment. I want you to stop whatever you are doing. You have been fighting so hard. You have been carrying a weight that nobody else understands. You have been trying to explain your isolation, your silence, and your boundaries to people who are entirely committed to misunderstanding you. Just breathe. Let your shoulders drop. Take a deep, slow breath in and let it out. You do not have to defend your season of hiding anymore. It is sanctioned by heaven. You are exactly where you are supposed to be. If this truth is lifting a weight off your chest, if you feel the grip of anxiety finally loosening, stay connected with this space. Subscribe and join us. There is an entire community of chosen ones walking this exact path, realizing they are not crazy, they are just called. Now that you know exactly why you are in the dark, you need to know exactly how to secure the perimeter. Securing your spiritual perimeter requires your brain to stop operating in a state of survival and hyper-vigilance. When your nervous system is trapped in fight or flight, you cannot hold a boundary. There is actually a tool Dr. Lake discovered that recalibrates this exact frequency. It is called the Genius Song. It uses brain entrainment to reactivate your dormant gamma waves, restoring the natural boundary and intuition you had before the world's noise overwhelmed you. If your spirit already tells you this is the tool you need for the blackout, the link is in the description and pinned comment. Do not rush. Stay for the protocol if you want the full context. For those staying, here is the exact framework to seal your spiritual house. I call this the threshold protocol. The first phase is the audit. You must identify the specific windows leaking your energy. This means noticing which social media feeds leave you feeling heavy and which specific voices or text messages immediately trigger a spike in your heart rate. Those are unauthorized access points. The second phase is the command. You do not need to stand up or move right now. Whether you are lying down or sitting in your car, simply visualize the physical doors of your home. See them closing heavily. See the deadbolts sliding into place. Now, speak this declaration silently in your mind or whisper it where you are. I command every unauthorized energy to remain outside this threshold. My space is sealed. The third phase is the silence. This is a 24-hour period of absolute zero reaction to provocations. When the manipulative text comes, you do not reply. When the drama unfolds around you, you do not comment. You observe, but you do not engage. You are allowed to be unavailable. You are allowed to let their texts go unanswered during this transition. You do not owe anyone an explanation for your healing. Before I show you the danger of opening the door prematurely, gently press the like button so this warning can reach another chosen one who needs it tonight. Take a deep breath. Because what I have to tell you next is heavy, but it is necessary. Before I reveal the full details of the tool that anchors this frequency, because I will show you, there is one more thing I need to reveal about what happens if you open the door too soon. And this changes everything about how you will handle tomorrow. Let me put this in plain words before we move forward. I want you to walk away from this message with absolute clarity. Here is what you now know. Your urge to isolate is not a mental collapse. It is a biological and spiritual defense mechanism against toxic environments. The blackout is simply a boundary. The threshold protocol gives you a specific, actionable way to audit your inputs and silence the noise for 24 hours, giving your nervous system the reset it desperately needs. And the identity connecting all of this is that you are the gatekeeper of your own frequency. You are not a victim of the world's chaos. You have the authority to deny it entry. You were not born ordinary. As a child, you possessed an incredible spiritual sensitivity and a sharp intuition. Science calls this the gamma brainwave frequency. But as you grew, the modern world, the stress, the endless demands, triggered what researchers call the decline effect. Your brain was forced into survival mode, and your gamma waves went dormant. This is why you feel a massive gap between the potential you know you have and the reality you are living. For over 3 decades, Dr. Robert Lake studied this exact phenomenon. Through research, backed by data from institutions like MIT and Princeton, he mapped how to reverse this decline. I want to tell you about a 47-year-old manager who felt completely stuck. Her brain felt like a machine running on empty. She used this restoration tool for 18 days and felt almost nothing. She was ready to walk away, but she kept going purely out of curiosity. On day 34, she woke up and realized the fog was gone. She made a massive career decision without hesitation. She slept deeply for the first time in months. The shift came quietly, like a sunrise. It takes time to rebuild a foundation. I know you have tried everything: meditation, positive thinking, endless spiritual practices. But those require your exhausted brain to heal itself from the inside out. Brain entrainment works from the outside in, gently pulling your brain waves back into alignment without requiring any exhausting effort from you. It might sound too good to be true, but this is not a theory. It is measurable in a lab. And I would never disrespect your financial situation. I know money is an energy exchange. So let me tell you the full story of what this tool does. The Genius Song is a 7-minute digital audio track. You just put on stereo headphones, sit upright, and let the frequencies do the work. Therapy or biofeedback clinics charge hundreds of dollars for a single session, and they rarely target gamma specifically. Dr. Lake intentionally made this accessible. It is a one-time investment of $39, and it comes with 4 specific bonuses worth $80. You receive the Genius Child audio track, a classic book on foundational wealth, a guided visualization for complete life alignment, and a daily habit guide to sustain your new frequency. Dr. Lake also insists on a 60-day keep the bonus guarantee. If you decide to refund, you get your money back and keep the $80 in bonuses as an apology for your time. The only risk is staying exactly where you are. Every day your gamma remains dormant is another day you are living below your divine potential, allowing the noise to dictate your peace. The version of you waiting on the other side of this blackout is looking back at this exact moment. Please know, I must warn you. Because of the success of this frequency, counterfeiters have created fake versions online. They are just empty noise with no entrainment technology. The only place to access the authentic audio track, the full $80 bonus package, and the guarantee is through the official source. I want you to pause and take one slow breath. This is not about deciding if you should spend $39. This is about deciding if you are ready to claim the identity of the gatekeeper. If your spirit confirms this is your next step, you will find the official link in the description and pinned comment below. Follow it only if you feel completely led. Now, remember the consequence I warned you about. What happens if you open the door? When you finally shut the world out and establish this blackout, you will experience something unexpected. You will feel a deep, unsettling fear of the silence. You have survived chaos for so long that peace actually feels like a threat to your nervous system. The ego panics when the drama stops because it does not know who it is without a crisis to solve. This is where the true test begins. The enemy knows he cannot enter a locked door, so he will try to convince you to open it yourself. He will knock on the door during this blackout using the most familiar tools. You will suddenly hear from people you have not spoken to in months. You will receive texts presenting urgent fake crises that supposedly only you can solve. You will face intense guilt trips designed to make you break the seal and step back out into the noise. Notice the guilt trying to creep in when you set the boundary. Notice the false urgency telling you to reply immediately. Notice the pressure in your chest trying to convince you that resting is laziness, that silence is abandonment. I need you to hear this clearly. That fear, that physical discomfort when you finally rest, is not a sign that you made a mistake. It is absolute proof that the old system is dying. You are detoxing from the frequency of chaos. Type I. Release the guilt in the comments to let go of the need to explain your boundary to anyone. And that brings us to who you really are and the final seal we must place over your life. For too long, you have identified as the fixer, the rescuer, the emotional dumping ground for everyone else. But that is not your divine identity. You are the sanctuary. You are the gatekeeper. You are the light bearer. And a sanctuary does not leave its doors wide open for the storm to destroy the altar. Right where you are, you do not need to move a single muscle. In your mind, I want you to stand at the front door of your house. Look at the handle. Now, imagine pulling a heavy golden deadbolt across the frame. Hear the heavy click of that metal. Feel the absolute finality of that lock. Nothing enters without your permission. Let us close this space together. Take a slow, deep breath in. Thank you, Source, for the protection of the dark. We command every unauthorized energy to remain outside the threshold. Now, declare this with your inner voice, claiming your ultimate authority. I am sealed. I am hidden. I am protected. And so it is. You are not the person who pressed play on this video. The shift has already occurred. Type I am protected in the comments to physically seal this frequency into your reality. Let your like on this video be your silent agreement with the universe. If you felt called to the genius song to anchor this transition and rebuild your exhausted brainwaves, the official link remains in the description and pinned comment. Only step into it if you feel entirely led by your spirit. Before you go, if a specific face came to your mind while listening to this, someone who is exhausted, someone who is being pulled in 100 different directions, someone who desperately needs permission to unplug, share this message with them. You might be the exact messenger heaven uses to save their peace tonight. You are not just closing a video right now, you are locking the door to your past season. Rest well.